All right, there we go. All right, I just double recorded for us. So obviously, hey Andrew, thanks for popping in today. Just wanted to ask you, kind of just a little bit, a few questions I wanted to just ask you, your general opinion on. Obviously, I know you've been with us for a little while. When
Right.
you first started with us, were you like skeptical at all to start with us, or have you used anybody previously in the past? Like, how'd that go?
Yeah, absolutely. I was definitely skeptical. I had tried a few different avenues and it just felt really shaky. And then I came across your ad and talked to you guys. First, I was a little skeptical, but something about talking with Joe and what he was saying made sense, and he just felt real comfortable. Made me feel real comfortable dealing with you guys. So that really helped out a lot making a
Oh,
decision.
well, that's good. I mean, I'm happy to hear. Obviously, we always just, we're very open, honest, very transparent here, which is really different compared to a lot of these different people out here that kind of, they can tell you the moon, the sun, and the stars, and then when it comes down to, the
Right.
actual things, it's just like, ah, you're just like everybody else. Um, so I'm glad to hear that. Definitely, we're different. Is there? So far, obviously, you went ahead, you decided to go with us. Um, was there anything, before that made you get to this point of wanting to use like a online marketing system, or it was just kind of like you were trying to
Yeah,
scale, or?
absolutely. Yeah, just we were just door knocking, and it was just getting really tiresome. And then realizing that, the trend was taking a different direction, and the direction was obviously the online marketing and social media. So I really thought that maybe, I needed to follow that and get with the program, or I was going to get left behind. And thank God I met you guys because
What was that last part? I'm sorry, you broke up.
I said, thank God I came across your ad because you guys really got me in the game.
Oh man, I'm so happy to hear that. So obviously when we go ahead and, we have somebody on board and you come on board with us, it's super exciting and we always live up to we do exactly what we tell you we're going to do. I know you've been with us for a while. Could you tell me a little bit about, how's the experience been for you so far? Are you happy? I know you had a pretty good month in October.
Hey,
How's
yeah, absolutely. I'm more than happy. More than what I expected. You guys delivered beyond what you were selling. And you really impressed me. It's been a game changer for my business. Absolutely, 100%. And I don't know where I would be if I didn't come across you guys.
Oh, wow. That means a lot to hear that from you. I'm so happy to hear. Because obviously I know you've had a couple pretty big jobs that came through for you. Especially with us. So I'm so happy to hear that us being able to help you grow your business and scale, we're doing exactly that. And that makes me really happy to see. And hear. Is there anything, that you would because people are skeptical these days. Is there anything you'd say to anybody if they were on the fence, possibly of, working with us that you would kind of say or wish someone told you?
Yeah, I would definitely say, be careful of who you choose. If you choose HomeXperts, just know that you're going with the right one. They won't do you wrong. They do everything they say they will do, plus some. And then you'll be overly surprised at the results. Very impressed.
Oh, that's great. That's great. Um, well, I mean, I really appreciate you just taking the time out of your day just to kind of
Sure.
just chat with us and, just get your real honest feedback. That's really all we can, ask for. Um, so I'm so glad that you took the time to take care of this today with us. Um, I think so far, I think that covers everything, Andrew. I kind of, just, and obviously, we talked about where your business was before. Now, I guess the only question I'd have for you now is how's your business doing now? I know before you were doing door knocking, wasn't as effective. Right now, would you say, your business is still scaling and headed in a good direction since you've added us?
Absolutely. Yeah, and some. I think that I think that the way you guys do things and the way you produce provided me with another option. I have totally kind of disregarded the door knocking, and I'm just solely relying on the leads now. I mean, it's just that plentiful. It's been beautiful. I don't think I'll ever knock on another door again if I continue to use you guys. So yeah, absolutely. It's been a game changer. Probably one of the best decisions I've ever made in business. And I'm really happy and grateful that made that decision.
Oh, well, that's
Okay.
beautiful.
Yep.
Excellent. So thank you so much, Andrew. I
Welcome.
appreciate you, and I hope you know you drive when you're driving, you get into a safe spot, so I won't keep you on the phone any longer. But I really appreciate you taking the time out your day today. So thank you,
Thank you,
Andrew.
man. I really appreciate you guys.
All right, thank you, and I hope you have a great day.
You too.
All right, thanks.
Bye.
Bye.